This is a to-do list app developed using Python and custom tk-inter. The app enables users to add new tasks quickly through an input field. Tasks can be added by pressing Enter or clicking the Add Task button. Each task appears with a checkbox and a timestamp showing when it was created. Tasks can be marked as completed by checking the box. Users can also delete individual tasks or use multi-selection features to manage tasks more efficiently. Options to select all, deselect all, and delete selected tasks make bulk actions simple and effective. A live task summary is displayed, showing total tasks, completed tasks, and remaining tasks. All data is saved locally in a JSON file, ensuring that tasks persist between sessions. The app maintains a clean structure, user-friendly interface, and is easy to expand with additional features if needed. This project demonstrates practical use of GUI development, data handling, and user interaction in Python. Thank you for viewing this project.